unboxing the MacBook Air, the latest version. I think is 215. So let's see what is inside the box. Yeah, one thing about Apple products, their price are always at a very stagnant level. It doesn't go down, it doesn't go up. So last time I checked for this product, it was $4,199. That was about 2 months ago, but until now it's still the same price. So this is it, MacBook Air. I think it's 215. So let's check what is in the box. This is the power cable, the adapter, and the extension. So this is the international extension. If you want to use it outside the United States, you can use this one to attach to the power cable. Then you're good to go. Then this is the manual. Yeah, if you've never used Apple products before and you wish to know a little bit about the product before you start using it, you can go through the manual so that you wouldn't make any technical errors. So that's it. And this, I think it's the warranty or something like that. Yeah, so that's it. That's what's in the box. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have here. So let's start it up. Let's go aside. Yeah, that's it. The MacBook Air. Wow. So if you open it up, you'll see this little piece of paper here to protect the screen from scratching against the keyboard. So try it on and see what we have here. That's it. We've been able to start it up. Select English as the main language. We're in Malaysia. Yeah. Continue. Yeah, we use the ABC extended keyboard. Continue. Then I select my Wi-Fi. Yeah, connected to the Wi-Fi. So transfer. Enable location services. So my Apple ID. Yeah. Agree. It's setting up my iCloud. So I don't really need it now because my iCloud is already filled up. So I think I'll try to purchase more space. Done. That is it. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. So this is the new MacBook Air, and thank you very much for your patience.